It's not fair, Sarah.
Careful, Charlie, keep a cool head.
No, don't you care, Sarah? That just because someone is dead, it doesn't mean they can't resolve to change their ways. Turn the page, escape infernal blaze.
Not everything is spelled in ink. It's not as simple as you think.
But she was right, Sarah. She showed us the soul can improve. He saw the light, Sarah. Checked all the boxes that you said would prove a person deserves a second chance. Now we turn our backs, no second glance.
There's a lot that you don't know, but I'm sure you wish it could be so.
What are we even talking about? Some crack or who fucked up already? He blew his cock like a joss in his mouth. This discussion is petty and senseless.
Thought since I'm older, it's my load to shoulder.
No.
You have to listen, it was such a hard decision. I wanted to save you, the anguish it takes to do what was required.
Think that I admired you well. What are you saying? Let me get this straight. You go down there and kill those poor
You
souls.
didn't
know. Yes, the cat's out of the bag.
What's the big deal?
Someone tell me that you didn't know.
There's no question of big He's unholy case code.
Did you forget that hell is
A
forever?
man only lives once. We'll see you in 1 month. Gotta say, I can't wait to come down and exterminate you.
Talk of virtue, just pretension. I'm not a child to protect. I don't need your condescension. Would die too naive to expect you to heed the morals you're purveying. That's what the fuck I've been saying.
Hell is forever, whether you like it or not. Have their chance to behave better, now they're boiling the pot. Cause the rules are black and white, there's no use in trying to fight it. They're burning for their lives until we kill them again.
I was told not to trust in angels. She should know.
By her?
No!
Go.
Don't you see? They're at each other's throats. Look at them fighting. We've come so close.
Don't you act all high and mighty. Did you ever think your little buyer might be a girlfriend?
Don't, Adam.
Why hide the fact that you're an angel just like I?